Hey, I'm Andrea, and this is Armadillo and Hare. Nobody's birthday party. It was nobody's birthday, which was disappointing. Usually, if there was a birthday to celebrate, there would be a party. Tortoise liked parties. His life was rather predictable and slow, his slowness being what was also predictable. No parties meant no excitement, so Tortoise had called a meeting to discuss the problem, and most of the forest animals were there. It's nobody's birthday, Tortoise told everyone, but we could still have a party. It can be a party for nobody. Tortoise's announcement was greeted with cheers and laughter, but Lobster could see a problem. You can't have a party for nobody, she declared. Nobody will come. Au contraire, said Tortoise, who had a French mother, Madame Tortue. Everybody will come because everybody will be invited. Lobster folded her clothes with a faint clack. If everybody comes, it won't be for nobody, she pointed out crisply. Armadillo nudged Hare. I used to like Lobster, he murmured, but I'm going off her now. No, I think Lobster has a point. Hare smoothed back his ears and let them ping straight back up. Maybe she has, but her point misses the point. Armadillo shook his head. If you understand me. He wasn't sure if he understood himself. He scratched his long nose with both front paws. It always seemed to go wrinkly when he was confused. The other point being that it is nobody's birthday. Hare considered this. I thought that was the point. Armadillo took a deep breath and sighed. Then he asked loudly, is there going to be a party or not? The forest animals decided there would be a party. Not only that, but there would be food and dancing. When they got home, Hare noticed a change in Armadillo. He couldn't stop muttering to himself, and he wasn't able to settle at anything. Dancing, dancing, Hare couldn't stand it any longer. Whatever's the matter? Armadillo shook his head. He gazed at his feet as if they had committed a terrible crime. It's the dancing, he said at last. I'm simply not very good at it. It's all right for you, Hare. You're a frisky fellow, but I'm not the right shape. There, I've said it. Now you know, and I feel stupid. Hare smiled and took Armadillo by the shoulders. Don't worry. Dancing is easier than you think. I'll teach you. He put some music on. Just do what I do, said Hare cheerfully. He was a good dancer. He moved in time to the music, which is a good thing if you're dancing. Armadillo tried to follow. He bumped into an armchair, fell across it, and rolled onto the floor. Interesting move, said Hare cheerfully. Let's try again. They tried again and again. Somehow, Armadillo hit the furniture every time. Hare moved all the furniture out of the room. Armadillo lurched into Hare instead. They both fell over. Hare got to his feet. He straightened up his crumpled ears. His cheerfulness was badly bruised. So were his elbow, shoulder, and tail. You know, said Hare, helping his friend to his feet, you are wise and kind and lots of good things, but you really can't dance. Armadillo grunted. I had better stay at home then, while you go to the party. Stop being so grumpy, said Hare. We shall sit down. You can eat cheese sandwiches, and we shall watch the dancing. So, Armadillo and Hare got ready for nobody's birthday party. Hare looked dashing in his best scarf and had decided to take his tuba. Armadillo wore sunglasses and a black leather jacket. He had wanted to wear his cardigan. "I'm not going to anyone's birthday party with you in your cardigan," Hare had said firmly. "I'm not going to anyone's birthday party," argued Armadillo. "It's nobody's birthday party." So, can you dance? Do you think Hare has a good plan for Armadillo?